Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about Skype. Skype is a tool that allows a person to communicate with another person through audio, video, and chat. Skype to Skype calls are free, but calls made to cell phone or landline phones using Skype require payment. You can also make international calls and it's free as long as it's Skype to Skype. It's a great tool which can be used as assistive technology in classrooms. Also, it can be used in regular classroom for multi-purposes. And as far as its audience concern, audience for this assistive technology would be special education students, especially when students are on medical leave from the classroom. So they can use Skype to attend lectures as well as stay connected with their classmates. Another way where special education or even regular students can use Skype is when they can have free virtual field trips. And one of the major benefits of these virtual field trips is the ability to chat with live people. Students can talk with and interview experts in various parts of the world. And now I'm going to the website where I got my most of the information from, and I will review this Skype. So this is the website where I got most of my information from, and here we can see it has a good rating. This is the screenshot of the program of this tool. So you can have you can make a video call, you can have audio call, you can text here. And I personally use this tool as to communicate with family and friends. And I know some of my friends, they are using Skype for education purposes. And there are many people who offer online tutoring and many professionals who offer lecture via Skype, and they charge much lower fees. So overall, there are so many ways as educators we can use in our classrooms. Now I'm going to go back to my presentation. I will talk about the cost. So Skype is completely free software. However, you will need to have high-speed internet connection, which is important to have a good quality audio and video conversation. Of course, there are so many advantages and disadvantages of Skype. First, we will talk about the pros, advantages. It's free and available for most smartphones, multiple methods of communication, text, voice, video, connect educators around the world, and you can have a online guest speaker in class, and you can have online lecture. And Skype can be used as a translator because Skype is available in so many different languages. So this is another one we can use that as a translator. Cons of Skype: low speed internet can disconnect calls and delay in video or audio. So the clarity of the video could also be an issue. I would recommend to all the teachers, whether they are special education teacher or regular, Skype is very easy to use, free, and can be used in multiple ways. As a teacher, I would love to use Skype in various scenarios. One of them can be having guest speaker. For example, we can make a video call to author of children's book, where students can ask question and get live feedback without stepping outside of the classroom. So that's all for my presentation, and I hope you like it. Thank you.